Welcome to Colin and Coco's Daily Maths Workout 6.2. We're looking at fractions, decimals and percentages. Right, so let's have a go at workout A and then a game, workout D today. Here's workout A. So we're looking at equivalence here. So you've got a decimal and you need to write it as a fraction, write it as a decimal, and fraction write it as a percentage. Now most of these hopefully are ones that you should just know, but you might need to do a little bit of working out, well, what's the value of the decimal, therefore is it going to be out of 10 or out of 100 as a fraction? Okay, so go and solve those as quickly as you can, then come back and mark them. So here's the answers to workout A. How did you get on with those? Let's have a go at workout D then. So we need some cards for this game. So we need 1 to 10 cards and a blank number line. Shuffle the cards and place them in a deck face down. Okay, so there's 1 to 10 cards at the back of the pack if you want, or just make your own, or use playing cards. So we want a number line just from 0 to 1, like this. You might want to do some demarcation on it. You might want to mark where a half is. It's up to you really. Quarter and 3/4 are just to help you with positioning, but it's only approximate positioning of the fractions. What's important is that they are the right side of other fractions. All right, so is the fraction I'm plotting on the line greater or less than other fractions that are already there? So when it's my turn, I'm going to pick 2 cards from anywhere in the deck. Oh, I don't have to pick the top 2. Okay, I'm going to have that one and that one. So I've got to make a proper fraction. So that means my numerator needs to be smaller than my denominator. So I've made 1/8. So I need now to plot 1/8 on the number line. Okay, so if this is a quarter, I know that 2/8 make 1/4. So therefore my 1/8 is going to live about there. So now those are going to go back in here anywhere. I can shuffle it, doesn't matter. So now it's player 2's turn. They're going to pick 2 cards. They're going to have that one and that one. Okay, so they need to make a proper fraction. So with a 4 and a 9, that's going to be 4/9. Yeah, so if they use a different colour is ideal. So they're going to now plot 4/9 on the number line. Well, what do I know? Well, 4/9 is just less than half, isn't it? Yeah, 4.5 would be half of 9. So if this is halfway, 4/9 is going to be about here. And the game just continues like this. Put your cards back in here, choose 2 more, make a fraction, plot them, and the winner is the first person to get 4 points plotted without any of their opponents in between. So they haven't got to be right together, but you just need to not have any of your opponent's fractions in between. Okay, this is a game you can play a few times. Quite a lot of thinking going on here, ordering your fractions and comparing them. Off you go.